Ripple, XRP CEO reveals explosive insights about Bitcoin ETF. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most anticipated events in the crypto space, the approval of a spot market Bitcoin ETF in the US. As you may know, a spot market Bitcoin ETF has been the holy grail for many crypto enthusiasts, as it would provide a more accurate and transparent way to invest in Bitcoin and potentially attract more institutional and retail investors to the crypto market. However, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has been very reluctant to approve any Bitcoin ETF applications so far, citing concerns over market manipulation, fraud, and lack of regulation. But that may change soon, as the SEC is facing increasing pressure from the crypto industry, the public, and even the courts to approve a spot market Bitcoin ETF. In fact, the likelihood of having a spot market Bitcoin ETF ready to list on the market by the end of this year is now a near certainty, according to some experts. One of the reasons for this optimism is the recent court ruling that the SEC was wrong to deny a spot market Bitcoin ETF application from Valkyrie, a Bitcoin ETF issuer, while approving a futures-based Bitcoin ETF from ProShares, which was essentially the same product, but with more fees and risks for investors. The court said that the SEC's decision was arbitrary and capricious, and that it failed to provide a rational explanation for its different treatment of the two ETFs. Another reason for the bullish outlook is the submission of a spot market Bitcoin ETF application from BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, with over $9 trillion in assets under management. BlackRock is a financial giant with a lot of influence and credibility in the market, and its entry into the Bitcoin ETF space could be a game changer. BlackRock has a 99.8% ETF approval record, and its CEO, Larry Fink, has been very positive about Bitcoin and crypto in general. But what does this have to do with Ripple and XRP, you may ask? Well, as you may also know, Ripple is the company behind XRP, the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and one of the most popular and widely used digital assets for cross-border payments and remittances. Ripple has been in a legal battle with the SEC since December 2020, when the SEC sued Ripple and its executives, alleging that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering of XRP. Ripple has been fighting back, claiming that XRP is not a security, but a currency, and that the SEC's lawsuit is an overreach and a threat to the innovation and growth of the crypto industry. Ripple has also been gaining support from the crypto community, the public, and even some members of Congress, who have been calling for more clarity and fairness from the SEC regarding crypto regulation. But the most interesting and explosive insight comes from Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, who recently spoke to CNBC and revealed that he believes that the SEC is trying to block the approval of a spot market Bitcoin ETF, and that the Ripple case is actually a proxy war for the SEC to gain more control and power over the crypto market. Garlinghouse said that the SEC is afraid that a spot market Bitcoin ETF would undermine its authority and jurisdiction over the crypto space, as it would allow investors to bypass the SEC and access the spot market directly without any intermediaries or regulations. He also said that the SEC is using the Ripple case as a way to set a precedent and establish a new test for determining whether a crypto asset is a security or not, which he called the Ripple test. He said that the Ripple test would be different from the existing Howey test, which is the standard legal framework for determining whether an asset is a security or not, based on whether there is an investment contract between the issuer and the buyer, and whether there is an expectation of profit from the efforts of others. He said that the Ripple test would be more subjective and arbitrary, and that it would give the SEC more discretion and power to decide which crypto assets are securities and which are not, based on its own agenda and interests. He said that this would create more uncertainty and confusion for the crypto industry, and that it would stifle innovation and competition in the US. He also said that this would be bad for Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole, as it would limit the choices and opportunities for investors and create more barriers and costs for crypto adoption. Garlinghouse said that he is confident that Ripple will win the case, and that the judge will see that the law and the facts are very clear, and that XRP is not a security, but a currency. He also said that he hopes that the SEC will change its attitude and approach towards crypto, and that it will work with the industry, rather than against it. to create a more clear and fair regulatory framework that fosters innovation and growth and protects investors and consumers. He said that he believes that crypto is the future of finance and that it has the potential to create more financial inclusion, efficiency, and transparency in the world. He said that he is optimistic about the future of Ripple and XRP, and that he is looking forward to working with the SEC and other regulators to make that future a reality. So what do you think about this explosive revelation from Ripple's CEO? Do you agree with his views on the SEC and the Bitcoin ETF? Do you think that Ripple will win the case and that XRP will be cleared as a currency? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Crypto World episodes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.